Hello! In this video we'll look at the different types of alarms that can be received by the DUOX PLUS video guard unit. Panic calls are those triggered from a monitor or a telephone by pressing the F1 button. This type of call is only sent when there is a guard unit in the block with the alarm mode activated, which can be done through this menu. When F1 is pressed on the terminal, a call is automatically established between the guard unit and the corresponding apartment. The other type of alarm is door events, which come from the entrance panels. Just like with panic calls, this alarm will only appear if a guard unit in the block has alarm mode activated. There are two types of door events, forced door or door left open. Forced door is when the door is physically opened via the sensor with a prior authorization from the video intercom or access control system. Door left open occurs when the sensor does not return to its normally closed state after a certain time following an authorized door opening by the video intercom or access control system. When one of these alarms is received, the guard unit will flash and sound an alarm notification to get your attention. If an alert arrives while the screen is already active, the following message will appear in the bottom left corner. If the telephone is off the hook or is picked up, it will immediately call the associated device. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time!